Question is, does receding gum mean bone loss? For the most part, yes, because I always tell my patients the bone, or the gum is almost like your skin. So the skin stays on the bone, for example, or maybe on the fat, right? So if you become skinny, the skin kind of looks really thin, and then you go down, the skin goes down because it goes down along with the fat, or it just stays on the bone because there is no more fat tissue there when you become lean. So the same thing, the gum stays on the bone. Anytime you have a problem with the gums receding, more than likely the bone went down. That's the reason why the gum went down along with it. So part of the question that you may have asked, because is it possible to correct if there is a bone problem? Sometimes yes, you can correct the bone problem. So you correct the bone problem, or when you correct the gum problem, you correct the bone problem underneath to bring the gum back. So that way you bring the bone back and you bring the gum back also. Sometimes it may not be possible that you're able to absolutely correct the bone problem. Sometimes you just bring the gum tissue up, and we call it as a connective tissue attachment. Do you really need bone under, or can you maintain a tooth without some bone under, just with some good healthy gum tissue? Underline, good healthy gum tissue. So as long as you have good healthy gum tissue, can you manage with no bone under? Possibly yes, as long as you maintain a good healthy gum tissue with frequent professional cleanings, good home care, and all of that. So to go back to your question, do gums recede do gum receding mean bone loss? Yes, gum receding means bone loss, and the best thing that you do is you seek an attention from a periodontist or a gum specialist in your area. If you happen to be in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, come see us. If not, seek an attention from a local gum specialist or a periodontist, and they should be able to help you, whether you have a pure gum problem or you have a bone and a gum problem. Either way, how they can help you to treat and help you keep your teeth possibly for the rest of your life.